Today I am reviewing the Honeywell Home T9 Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing you notice is the touchscreen display. It is clean, responsive, and modern without being overly complicated. Navigating menus is intuitive, and adjusting the temperature manually feels immediate. Unlike some smart thermostats that hide core controls behind layers of app-driven logic, the T9 still behaves like a thermostat first. That matters for households where not everyone wants to rely on a smartphone just to make small adjustments. Installation is straightforward if your system is compatible. The thermostat works with most forced air systems including gas, oil, and electric, as well as hot water, steam, and heat pumps with electric backup. However, requires a C-wire for power. Honeywell includes a power adapter in the box to help in homes that lack a traditional C-wire, which broadens compatibility, but it is important to verify wiring before purchasing. It does not support high-voltage electric baseboard heating systems. Once wired properly, the setup process is guided and fairly seamless. The thermostat intelligently identifies the heating and cooling type, reducing the guesswork that can intimidate first-time installers. Where the T9 begins to separate itself is in its smart functionality. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows full remote access through the Honeywell Home app. You can change temperatures, adjust schedules, and monitor system status from anywhere. The app is stable and responsive, and pairing the thermostat with your account is uncomplicated. Geofencing is one of the more practical features. Using your phone's location, the system can switch between home and away modes automatically. In daily use, this prevents unnecessary heating or cooling when the house is empty, without requiring rigid schedule programming. The scheduling system itself is flexible. You can create detailed schedules for different days, but the thermostat also provides energy reports that show monthly usage trends. This is not just a novelty chart. Seeing how your runtime changes over time can genuinely influence behavior. When paired with participating utility programs, you may even earn seasonal rewards for energy efficiency, depending on your location. That integration adds tangible financial incentive beyond comfort. One of the standout features is compatibility with smart room sensors. While the base thermostat controls temperature based on its own location, adding sensors allows the system to prioritize specific rooms. This addresses one of the biggest complaints in multi-room homes, where the thermostat might be in a hallway that does not reflect bedroom or living room comfort. With sensors placed strategically, the T9 can focus heating or cooling on occupied rooms. In practice, this leads to more balanced comfort, particularly in larger homes with uneven airflow. The sensors are sold separately, which increases total cost, but they significantly enhance performance if temperature imbalance is a problem in your house. The T9 also includes smart response technology. Instead of simply turning on at a scheduled time, it learns how long your system takes to reach target temperatures. For example, if you set your morning temperature to 72 degrees at 7 a.m., the thermostat will gradually adjust earlier so that it actually reaches 72 by 7, not just begin heating at 7. Over time, this learning behavior becomes more precise. It is subtle but meaningful in daily comfort. Alerts and maintenance reminders are another practical element. The thermostat can notify you about extreme temperature changes or remind you when it is time to replace your HVAC filter. These small features contribute to system longevity and indoor air quality, and they reduce the chance of forgetting routine maintenance. Voice assistant compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds convenience, though for most people it is secondary to app control. Being able to adjust temperature hands-free is useful when cooking or moving around the house. Integration into broader smart home ecosystems is smooth, though the thermostat remains functional and useful even without complex automation routines. In terms of performance, the T9 maintains stable temperature control with minimal overshoot. It does not aggressively cycle the HVAC system, which helps reduce wear. Wi-Fi reliability depends on your network strength, but in typical home setups it maintains a steady connection. The interface remains responsive even during firmware updates. There are limitations to consider. The need for a C-wire or adapter installation may be inconvenient for some older homes. Also, to fully leverage multi-room prioritization, you will likely need to invest in additional sensors.